Jafrezi to freeze. 1.5 kilos of chicken thighs chopped, 2 large onions chopped, 3 tins of tomatoes blended, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of butter, 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons each of coriander, cumin and turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 4 fat cloves of garlic crushed and 4 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh ginger, 3 teaspoonfuls of salt, fresh coriander to garnish. So I've got the oil in the wok. This wok holds a lot, so it's suitable for cooking large batches. So tip the onions in. And the garlic. Now we're going to fry these gently for about 5 minutes. I want them to soften but not brown. The onions have softened now, so I'm adding in the chicken, turmeric, chilli powder, and salt. So we're going to give this a good old stir now to combine everything together. And we want all the chicken to be coated in the spices evenly. Then once we've done that, we're going to carry on cooking for about 5 minutes before adding in the next ingredients. At this stage, I'm adding the remaining ingredients, which is the tomatoes, butter, peppers, coriander, cumin and ginger. Now I'm going to give this a good old stir. Now at this stage, if you wanted to use fresh coriander, you could put it in and cook it along with the curry. About a cupful, but my partner doesn't like coriander, so I'll leave it out and then I just sprinkle it on my curry when I'm serving it up. It's not worth spoiling it for him. So here we go, gonna cook this now for about 30 to 40 minutes until the chicken's tender. The curry's cooked now, everything's tender, so I'm going to plate up 2 portions and then divide the rest up ready to freeze. So there you go, chicken Jafrezi with rice and coriander, that's mine. This is Brian's, he's having his with different rice. And we've got 10 portions for the freezer. So that's not a bad morning's work, is it? And I've also watched a few programmes as well while it was cooking. So it's not that hard to cook and freeze. Have a go, it's well worthwhile. See you later, bye.